Hi, my name is Veronica and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start with the basics, okay? I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook business page in less than 10 minutes. I will show you how to create it, how to add a cover picture, how to add a profile picture, and I will give you some tips along the way, okay? But first, I want to encourage you or remind you to please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future training videos. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we are on Facebook. Okay, so the first thing that we are gonna do is that we are gonna navigate to our Facebook pages section. The way you get here, it is by clicking here on top, the second icon, that blue flag, that is the pages section. So you're gonna click right there and it's gonna populate and it's gonna bring you to this screen. If you are watching this video and you never created a page before, this section over here is going to be blank. Okay, so let's go to the left where it says create new page. Let's gonna click right there, and it's gonna bring you here to this template. This is pretty neat because all the information that you input on the left side is going to populate on the right side, so you can see how it's going to look from the customer or user perspective on desktop or mobile device. How neat is that? So the left side, the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to name our page, okay? Our page name. Let me tell you about this. Make sure that you know and you pick a unique business name that you will not change later on, okay? Because if you want to change that name later on, you're going to have to submit a request to Facebook. It usually takes 7 to 10 days for review, and they might approve it, they might reject it. So to be on the safe side, make sure that you pick a name and you stick with it, okay? Pick a unique name. This name cannot have the word Facebook included. It cannot have any brands included, so you cannot name it my name Veronica's Nike or something like that. It cannot have symbols. It cannot have misspelled words. So again, make sure that you pick a unique name and stick with it. So you won't have to change it or submit a request to change it later on. Okay. So for these purposes, I am just gonna name my page Veronica's training tips and tricks. That's what I have in this YouTube channel. Okay, Veronica's training tips and tips tricks. All right, okay, we're back. All right, so if you can see on the left side, Veronica's training tips and tricks. That's how is the user is going to see it on a mobile device. This is how it's going to show on the desktop. Pretty neat, right? So the second thing that we are going to select here is the category, okay? What type of business do you run, okay? What your business represent? Is it the shopping page? People are going to be able to shop. It is, but what kind of shopping they can do? It is an auto shop. It is a real estate page. It is an educational page. What kind of business do you offer? Okay. So for this one, we're gonna go with you can pick actually up to 3. So education, just because I'm doing some training. So just leave it at that. But if you can see over here, I pick education and hold on. Education, and then you can pick another one. Let's do shopping just for the fun of it. Just shopping right there. So another one, I don't know. Let's start with something. Done a business. Let's just do done a business. That's it. Right? So just for the fun of it, so you know they have different categories right there. But again, It is what services do you offer, okay? This can be changed later on after you create the page. That's what I just select any 3 there because it can be changed after the fact. Now here, describe your business, okay? So this is very important because I want you to encourage you to add anything about your business. You can say, listen, if you're the first thing that you're gonna say, if your business name doesn't have your name there, start with saying I am Veronica. My business name hasn't my name there, but I'm just saying, if you will say training tips and tricks, that's it. I want to start by saying who I am, right? So I am a Veronica. What services I provide? I provide, oh, this is a page that I'll do training. This is a page for training. Oh my Glanta, I don't know how to type. For training. I go live, and you can make it more professional. I'm just giving you tips here on what to write in this section, okay? I go live Monday to Friday at 8 o'clock Eastern time. I cannot type today to save my life. I'm sorry. I go live Monday to Friday at 8 o'clock. Check out my website and blah, 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 www, blah, blah, blah. Just put here the information, how they can shop with you, what services you provide, all the important things that you think someone should know, okay? So after you do that, you are ready. You are ready to click the create page. Alrighty? So let's do that. Oh, let me show you on this side, on the right side. Okay, on the right side. So you see that category, it will show right here. And the first category that you select is the first one that is going to show right here on the right side. And the description, the about, right here, you see that's what I type here. I'm Veronica. This is pages for training, blah, blah, blah. It's going to show right here. If you are looking for the mobile device, you're going to see it. This is the first thing that people will see. So let me tell you, you want to fill this information out because people don't like to try to find that information. Like scroll all the bottom to your page just to find how to shop with you, what services you provide, and all that good stuff, right? I'm just gonna click create page. It's creating a page. It's creating a page. Let's see a little bit. So there you go. So Veronica's training tips and trick was created. Now you can add images or go to your page to add more details. So we're gonna have another video so we can add the rest of the details for the page. This is just for creating the page, and I'm about to add a cover picture. So if you keep scrolling down, profile photo and a cover photo. It says optional, but please upload a cover and a profile picture, because look, this is how it's gonna look when somebody's gonna come to the page and you're running a business, okay? Please don't leave this blank. So we are gonna add a profile picture. Let me see. I have one. Let me see. Oh, sorry. A YouTube training. Let me see. Let me add this one over here. This is me. So that is my profile picture. Make sure that you add a picture of you, a logo, or something that people already, something that relates to you that people can find you, okay? Don't add there a logo saying Veronica's training tips and tricks and nobody have seen it before, okay? So add a picture of you there. That way, when somebody's looking for you, I mean, there's a million Veronicas in this world, right? So if they search on Facebook Veronica's training tips and tricks, it might be another Veronica there, right? But this logo represents me. People know me for this logo already, so they'll know that is my page, okay? So if it's your, I mean, if you just started your business, put a picture of you there, okay? That represents, I mean, your business. You represent your business, and that's the best way that people can find you. Let's add a photo cover here. We are going to add this one that I created. Pretty neat. And this one I created in Canva, the Facebook covers, and I will do another training video on how to do that, okay? So Veronica's training tips and tricks right there on the cover photo. I would recommend you, I know I did this very simple, but it's just for training purposes, but I would recommend you in that cover photo also type any information that can catch a customer's eye, okay? So if I'm opening this page, I know it's Veronica's training tips and tricks, so I know it's training. So I scroll down and I should find some training, right? But um, make sure that you put there undercover what do you do? If you go live in this page, put there the days that you go live. Come on and join me. I'm live Monday to Friday at 8 o'clock. Subscribe to text alerts. Shop my website. Or if you provide any coach services, just list there the services that you provide and your hours. Okay? Or if you have any freebies or anything, list it right there, because some people, again, don't like to scroll and find information. Okay, so if you put it there and your cover photo is gonna be right there, catch somebody's attention, and you're good to go. Okay, if you are in a makeup industry, put it right there too. Put your page, the times you go live, whatever information, just put yourself in from the customer perspective of what questions they will ask, what information they would like to know, and put it there on the cover picture. Okay, so that's it. So we put a profile picture, cover picture, we're gonna click save, and we are gonna be done. Now it's gonna populate the page and it will be, yep, that's it. So we're here, right here. So you see, so we have the cover picture, we have our profile picture, the name, and that's it. So that's how you create a picture. That's how you create a business page right here. So now please make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you can continue watching the rest of the videos. I am gonna go through this business page and I'm gonna tell you and show you all the different section of the business page. Okay. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.